Hey guys, a small update from me. Many of you have asked when am I going to do my next live events, and I was thinking maybe I can do it tonight or tomorrow, but somehow I cannot get myself to do it. I have to what did I do? I have reinstalled Windows, and now I don't want to test things again, so that's just an excuse, of course. I don't know. I'm gonna do something maybe soon, maybe tomorrow, who knows, but at the moment I have recorded a few videos for you so you can watch them. I think I will release them within the next week or so. So enjoy it. Sorry for not keeping it up. For I promised some things to you, and I didn't deliver yet. Well, such is life. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. You take care, and see you soon. No, actually, no, I didn't promise those things. I said that I might, and I will let you know. Yes, so I didn't break my word, as far as I remember, because I don't like breaking my word, okay? And you shouldn't break your word. But if I broke my word, I apologize. Let me know how I can make it up for you, okay? All right then. You take care.